Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel on your phone. At the top right corner, click your profile. Then click Sign In. If you have a Gmail, you can click it in here, but if you don't have, click the plus button at the right side corner. Click Create Account and choose in the options of what purpose of your YouTube will be. Add your first name and last name. Once you're done, click Next. Then add your birthday and gender. If you want their provided Gmail, just click it, and if you want to make your own, click Create Own Gmail Address. Once you're done, tap Next, and in here, you need to create a password. Review it, then you're done. Your account is officially created. Click your profile picture at the right side corner and then click your channel. In here, you can add your profile picture and a nickname of yours. Then once you're done, click Create Channel. Then, wait for it to complete, then your YouTube channel is created. One important thing to do is set your security in your YouTube channel. Click the profile icon at the right side corner, then click Manage your Google account. Once it's open, go to Security. Make sure that you fill up everything up in here, having a backup email, phone number, and a two-step authentication to make sure your YouTube channel more secured. Then that's it. That's how you make your YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.